Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best laundry detergent sheets that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Carbona Laundry Detergent Sheets. Carbona's lightweight laundry sheets are easy to get from the grocery store to my laundry room and offer solid variety. There's a free and clear formula as well as a scented option. But the thing I like most about them is how well they work in homes with hard water. In the instructions, the brand addresses the unique needs of customers with heavy mineral content in their water, advising them to double up on sheets in each load. At first, I was annoyed by this recommendation because I thought it was just a marketing trick to make me purchase more product. But after a few weeks of doubling up, there was a noticeable difference in how clean my clothes felt. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Levant Collective Luxury Laundry Detergent. These are the only detergent sheets on this list that I haven't tried firsthand yet, but they're on my wish list after coming highly recommended to me by a friend. Online shoppers have given them rave reviews as well. On Amazon, they have over 18,000 5-star ratings. Convenient, no heavy scent, and as a full-time RVer, the box takes up less room and no weight. One happy Amazon customer wrote, "The liquid-free detergent sheets promise to do everything from reduce wrinkles to eliminate stink. Two very important factors for my family of 5. The dye and plastic-free formula also claims to get laundry clean without the use of any harsh ingredients, relying on naturally derived surfactants to do the heavy lifting. On top of all that, it's also a US veteran-owned company." At number 3, we have the ARM & Hammer 5-in-1 Power Sheets Laundry Detergent. Arm & Hammer has made a name for itself over the years as the leading authority on cracking tough stains and bad odors, and the brand's laundry detergent sheets are no exception. I've used both the regular and free and clear options and have seen great results with each. I was already a fan of Arm & Hammer's liquid detergent, so I felt confident going into my wash day knowing just how well the brand's other formulas work, and I was not disappointed. The segmented sheets make measuring out my loads easier, since you only need half a sheet for a small load, a full sheet for a medium load, and 2 sheets for more heavily soiled garments and larger loads. At number 2, we have the Grove Co. Laundry Detergent Sheets. I'm a sucker for a nicely scented cleaning product, which is why buying Grove Co. As products have long been one of my favorite ways to splurge. Its Christmas soaps are chef's kiss. So I was really excited when I got a chance to try these laundry sheets. The sheets themselves had a nice smell when I ran them through the wash, but it wasn't so overpowering that I grew tired of it when it came time to get dressed. I never had a problem with these sheets not fully dissolving in my wash, something I've dealt with in the past with brands not included on this list. And they even worked on the speed wash cycle, something that is very important to me as a busy mom of 3. And finally, at number 1, we have the True Earth Compact Dry Laundry Detergent. If you have specific needs, check out True Earth, which offers a wide variety of laundry sheet options including scented and fragrance-free options, as well as one specifically designed for baby. The thing I especially liked about these sheets is that they not only traveled well. I brought them on a family vacation where my mother instantly fell in love with them, but I wasn't worried about using them in an unfamiliar machine. The directions are simple enough, and I knew I could just throw one sheet in without having to worry about temperature settings or finding the machine's detergent basket. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.